I am Abhi. Today I am going to teach you how to make a simple night lamp. Now let's start making the night lamp. First you take the transparent box and make a hole on the lid of the box like this. Then take the lid of the transparent box and the bulb holder. Now fix the bulb holder to the lid of the box like this. Next, take the transparent box and make a little hole side of the box like this. And now take the plug and put the plugs to wires inside the hole you made side of the box like this. Now take the box and the lid of the box and connect the wire. Like this. And now take the bulb and fix it to the bulb holder like this. Okay, now let's try it. Yes, it is working perfectly.